you know, having a cancer diagnosis can often feel like being in the midst of a hurricane. So I live on the east coast of Canada. We have these incredible hurricanes. If you're walking along the beach during a hurricane, the wind is blowing in your face, you can hardly see, you know, salt in your eyes, you're soaked to the bone, there's these crashing waves. I mean, there's a lot of psychological turbulence that's happening there. The same hurricane viewed from 3 miles up in the sky shows this beautiful swirl of clouds, or 80 feet below the water surface, and we can see the waves are crashing, but it's a very peaceful space. And so that's the spiritual perspective, is that you can hold the psychological difficulties with this sense of wholeness, this sense of peace, this sense of spirit, and realizing it's part of the human experience. It's pointing towards the spiritual aspect, the spiritual journey of the spirit.